Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can open and exit in the download mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So we're going to need to prepare the USB cable because we will need to connect our Samsung to a PC or laptop. However, we shouldn't do that before we actually turn off our device and try to open the download mode. So first, we're going to turn off our device, open the power off menu, and power off your device. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Once the device is completely off, what we need to do is press and hold both volume down and volume up buttons. Press both of these volume buttons. And when you hold them, at the same time, you need to plug in the USB cable. So press and hold and then plug in. Now keep holding it, keep holding those buttons. And eventually you should see the download mode. My screen is really dark for some reason, but you can see there is a glimpse of the triangle. This is pretty much the download mode. So now at this point, if you want to continue or cancel, so reset the phone, you will see the instructions in the middle of the screen. So you can continue pressing by pressing volume up. If you press volume down, then you will reset the phone, and you can also show the barcode by pressing the power button or the side button. So if you want to restart at this point, press volume down. If not, if you continue, then you'll see another screen, of course, where you will have the download mode, of course. And in order to turn off the download mode at this point, you need to press and hold volume down and power button. So press this button, this volume down button, and the power button at the same time and hold it for 7 seconds. So this is what we're gonna do. So press and hold. And eventually it should turn off. There we go. So now I'm gonna unplug the USB cable. And let's say if it actually turns itself back on. There you go. I didn't have to power on or anything. The device turned on by itself. So if you exit the download mode, you don't have to press anything. You just need to be patient and it will turn back on. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.